Every month you hustle, you earn, and then poof, your money disappears. Sounds familiar, right? Today, we are not talking about making money or investing it. We are talking about something even more important: how to keep money. Because if you can't keep it, you never grow it. This is one of the three morning skills everyone must master: the MKM rule. You make money, you keep it, and you multiply it. Let's master keeping it in the simplest way possible. So, we are going to talk about why money runs away. A person earning 200,000 naira a month, spending on shawarma, ashwebi, airtime, data, Netflix, or even both right. Here is the hard truth: you don't have a spending problem, you have a keeping problem. Saving money isn't about being stingy, it's about control. And if you don't tell your money where to go, it leaves. The second part is the secret formula. The three bucket formula to keep money is the 50% rule, the 30% rule, and the 20% rule. The 50% is for your needs, your rent, your food, your transport, while the 30% is for your wants, your clothing, Netflix, outings, and whatever. And your 20% is for your savings. You keep it. All right? So let's simplify that. Every time you earn money, just split it immediately. Even if you earn 50,000 naira, keep 20%. That's 10K. The trick is to keep it before you spend it, not after. All right? The third one is practical keeping. The practical keeping comprises of one, automatic savings. The use of apps or bank features to save the moment you paid. It works. The second one is lock savings. Use fixed savings or dollar savings you can't touch for even 30 days plus. That's fine. And the third one is save your extra money. You got a gift, bonus, extra job, save 50% of it. Your future self will thank you. And the fourth one on the practical skills is rename your savings goal. Call it rent for December or my first camera. Not just savings, just name it for a purpose. All right? So you make your savings emotional. When it has a name, you will be able to protect it. So now let's talk about the biggest mistakes to avoid. The first one is, I will save what is left. Trust me, nothing will be left for you if you think that way. The second one is saving in the same account you spend from. Separate them. Your spending account is a leak, so try to spend separated from your savings account. The third one is thinking saving is for the rich people. No, saving is how you become rich. Even if it is 1,000 naira a week, save. So let's go to the last part, which is simple saving challenge. You see, try this for the next 30 days. Pick a fixed amount of maybe 500 naira or anything, or 1,000. Save it every day. Do not touch it. Use a jar, an app, or an app or whatever. There's some banking app that you can do like that. It is not about the amount. It is about the habit. Once your brain learns to keep money, your life will change. Okay? Keeping money isn't a trick. It is a muscle, and you are building it every time you save. So every time you say no, every time you pause before spending. So in another video, we will talk about how to multiply your money once you've learned to keep it. How to make your money work for you. All right? So subscribe so you don't miss that. Let me know in the comment section, what's the one thing that eats your money the most? This is Meet You on YouTube. You see me next time. Be safe.